Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Randy4short, or Randy for short, and in today's video we are going to be doing a digital cash envelope stuffing for my July paycheck number 2. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you missed my July paycheck number 2 setup, then I'll go ahead and link it up in the cards. But for right now, I am going to highlight the envelopes and the sinking funds that I need to stuff for this pay period. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so gas, groceries, Costco, and diapers and wipes are what I need to stuff for this cash stuffing. And let's go ahead and add up what that total is so I can make sure that the right balance is in my cloud account. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I did do a more detailed cash, digital cash envelope stuffing video before this one, so I'll go ahead and link that one above. I won't be doing as much with like the arrows and stuff like that because I'm assuming that you guys watched that video, and again, if you didn't, go ahead and watch that one before you watch this one so you can understand what I'm doing, because I'm not going to be doing the arrows and everything like that in this paycheck. And basically just going forward, because like I said, I'm assuming that you guys took the time to watch the other video, and if you didn't before coming to this video, that you will take the time to do so. So right now we need to stuff $400, so let me go ahead and bring up Qube Money on my phone. So just so you guys, I'm gonna do a screen recording, so just so you guys aren't like distracted by me being in the camera view and looking at my phone, I'm going to just take myself out of the screen right now, and so you guys can concentrate on what I'm doing on my phone. So, but I'm still gonna be talking, so oops. Okay, so we're gonna bring up Qube Money. So right now, as you can see, there's $400 in the Qube cloud, which means I have to allocate $400 into these different cash envelopes and sinking funds. And I did add this food stock up Qube just because I was watching, like I've been watching Costco hauls a lot lately, and one lady mentioned, I cannot remember who it was because like I said, I've been watching a lot, but one lady mentioned that whatever grocery and like Costco money that they have left over, they set that aside into a like food stock up like savings account or whatever, so that if they saw something on sale, then they would use that extra money that they set aside that was left over to go ahead and budget for that. I mean, to go ahead and stock up on whatever they saw on sale. And I thought that was a good idea. And once we get our food budget down, then whatever money's left over, I do want to put into this food stock up Qube. So I'll let you guys know how that goes. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and stuff gas. So where is gas? Okay, so here goes gas. I'm going to press adding, and then we are going to add, oops, $110. And if you're wondering where I'm getting these numbers from, I am getting it from my paycheck budget, the numbers that I just highlighted. So groceries, let's do, where are the groceries? Well, I'm passing by diapers, so let's go ahead and do diapers. Okay, groceries should be at the top. That's a often used, there it goes. Groceries is getting 75, and then Costco is getting 175. Okay, so now that my adding total at the top matches my Qube cloud total at the top, then I know that I allocated all of the money that's in my Qube cloud. So I'm gonna go ahead and press fund Qubes. So now it's going to take me over to my spending cubes page, and it's going to show me what my current balances are. So now I have the 175 in Costco, 76.49 in our groceries, 101 in our diapers, and 178 in our gas, along with, the balance for the rest of our sinking funds, which isn't a lot because, like I said, we have been short on money, so we have not really been stuffing any additional sinking funds in cash envelopes. So that's quite all right, because our main goal for this year was to save up for our medical fund, which we pretty much already have, and to get 1 month ahead on bills, which we're going to become the August budget. So I'm not really tripping that we're not able to do more. That's just the season that we're in right now. So if you happen to be in like a similar situation, don't beat yourself up. It's just a season. It will get better. So that is basically it for the cash envelopes. So if you're new to my channel and you're wondering what I do after this, basically I just go about life, and we use credit cards for the cash back and the points. So whatever money, like when we go to buy groceries, we come to the Qube Money app first, look and see how much grocery money that we have, and then we try to stay within budget, that whatever the balance says in that cube. And then once every week, usually once a week, right now is 2 to 3 weeks, I'll go and pay off our credit cards with the money that are in these cubes accounts. By basically, if we spent $76 on groceries, what I'll do is I'll take the grocery money, I'll press transfer money, and then I'll transfer that money to whatever credit card that we use, which is typically our Sapphire card, and I'll go ahead and transfer that $76 that we used right when we spent the money to go grocery shopping. So that's typically what I do. And then once I go to pay the Sapphire bill or whatever credit card bill, what I'll do is take the money directly from that cube to pay the bill. So you do not have to do this. This is just my method. This is not the way that Qube Money was intended to be used, because basically what you're supposed to do with Qube Money is, say you got your Costco cube. Whenever you go to Costco, you just go to, when you go to checkout, all you have to do is just press the cube that you want, press open cube, and then, sorry, you don't have to do it from there. You just press the amount, the 175, swipe that back down. And then as you can see, this Costco cube is highlighted now, and it says I have 29 minutes left, which means that this cube is going to be open for the next 29 minutes. So I can go ahead and check out, and then once I go and swipe my Qube debit card at the register, then it'll go ahead and take the money from whatever cube that I have open at the moment, which right now is Costco. So once I am done, I can just press Costco again, close the cube, and then I'm pretty much done. I don't have to worry about, balancing credit cards and things like that. And this is like a real time balance. So the purchase will come from the cube that you had open, and if you don't have any cubes open, then your transaction will be declined. So that's one neat thing about Qube, is that it has this technology that if you don't have any cubes open, then it's basically like you have $0 on your card. So if someone tries to come and steal money off of your card, then they can't, because technically there's no money on the card because none of your cubes are open. So I hope that made sense. The link to Qube Money is always in the description if you want to read up on it yourself. That is pretty much all I needed to do to stuff my cash envelopes. Oh yeah, somebody asked me whether like Qube Money is free, and the basic account is free. They have a basic, premier, and a family account. The family account has not been released. That's basically what I have. Full disclosure, I am a lifetime membership user. So before the app even launched, I invested in Qube Money by paying a lump sum fee to have access to the features once the app and everything rolled out. So I personally will not have to pay a monthly fee because I already paid for my access up front. You know, I took a leap of faith on the app that it would be good. So they gave us in exchange a lifetime membership, and I bought the family account. So once the family account comes, that's what I'll be using. So I'll probably go ahead and put up a screenshot of what the pricing tiers are and the features that come with each tier. So I'll go ahead and just highlight like the basic account, what all comes with that, and that is the free account. So like I said, some of the things that I might do in the future may not apply to you because you have a different tier of account, so therefore different features. So I just want to put that out there because I don't know if I've mentioned it before. I'm pretty sure I mentioned that I bought the lifetime membership, but I don't know if I've ever broken down the differences between the different tiers and, you know, the stuff I'm showing you. So right now, everything besides the number of cubes that I have will come with the basic account, because I think a lot of the premier features still aren't available just yet. And I'm mostly thinking about the debit card transaction, where you can just basically load your Qube account with your debit card or with a debit card. So because Qube doesn't have Zelle or anything like that, so they need like a way to instantly transfer money from one place to another place without going through like the bank transfers, which takes 2 to 3 days most of the time. So yeah, but anyways, I'm rambling now. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if it feels right. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.